If you manage a leasing office in Florida, you already know the phone never stops. And when it does, that's when you're losing money. Missed calls after hours, prospects who never leave a voicemail, leasing agents buried in repetitive questions about pricing and availability, and unqualified leads eating up your team's time. Sound familiar? Introducing the Aivora AI Leasing Voice Agent, built specifically for Florida property managers and leasing companies. It answers every call, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so your team never misses another lead. Aivora answers questions about unit availability and pricing in real time, in English, Spanish, Portuguese, and more. It pre-qualifies every caller based on your criteria, so by the time a lead reaches your team, they're already a great fit. And it doesn't stop there. Aivora books tours directly on your team's calendar, then automatically sends a text confirmation to the caller, plus reminders before the tour to both the prospect and your team. No back and forth, no no-shows. And when existing tenants call to report repairs or submit claims, Aivora handles those too, routing the call to the right maintenance technician following the exact protocol your office sets. Even at 2 in the morning. If you're a Florida property manager or leasing company ready to stop losing leads, streamline your leasing process, and give your tenants the coverage they deserve around the clock, visit aivoraleasing.com today. And while you're there, try a live demo with Ava, our AI agent trained on a real leasing scenario. Experience the conversation yourself. Your next tenant is already calling. Make sure someone answers.